He's all in.
He's all in.
I was assuming.
I'm sorry, I just prefer to have all the information.
You want some treats?
Don't make